Today we go to the Hoover Dam. We travel to Boulder City, Nevada, where we tour the Hoover Dam. We take an elevator deep into the heart of the dam to learn about the process of construction and the massive turbines that provide power to millions of people. It is truly one of the greatest engineering wonders. That evening, we take the Pink Jeep tour, which was a 3-hour tour around Las Vegas. We got to see the lights, and we got to do the high roller wheel, and the Las Vegas sign, and all of the strip, and even around downtown Las Vegas.
And the way they figured it out, they didn't figure it out. A stamp collector, somebody who was looking really closely with a magnifying glass, noticed that the clouds behind the statue were clouds that only form in the desert. Now that is some attention to detail. The M&M store on the right up here, you can get M&Ms in all different colors. You can have anything you want written on it. Doesn't have to be just M or a W. The Coca-Cola store here, you can go through, it's kind of like if you've been at Disney where you can test Coca-Cola products from all around the world. They do that here. Perfumes or room sprays. When I was a concierge, I had people asking all the time. I have to tell you, the only one I really remember those, it was the most recent.
Back to the sign picture. Now we get to see the sphere from up in the sky. That's the high roller wheel, that is. Then more pictures from up in the high roller wheel. We look like we're holding the sphere. And that's a wrap. We had a great time on that Jeep tour, and now we're back at the Las Vegas airport on our day home. It's everywhere you go. Casinos were even in the airport. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. We look forward to making more videos for you guys, and we'll all catch you later. These are pictures from that Jeep tour. We had such an amazing trip. Me and Jennifer had a wonderful girls' trip, and we look forward to many more.